the text tool. So this is the text tool. I just click on this text tool, and here, so you can just type any text, animate. Right, now for the text, these are the properties, right? So X and Y position, so this is X and Y position, right? You can change the position of this one, width and height, and the font family, style, font color, size likewise. So if you feel like this size is not enough, at the moment it's 100, then 150. So before doing that one you have to select, so I forgot it. 150. Okay, it's too big. I'll use 90. Okay, so if you want to change the text color, then here again you can use the color palette and use any color. I just change the color. Right, then a paragraph here, alignment options are there. So at the moment I just used only one word. Then if you have used some kind of sentences, then you can use these options, spacings, margins, and so on. And for the alignment options, again, all the 4 alignments are available: left, right, center, and justify. So no need to explain these things, no, you already know. Then if you want to change the alignment, then you can change them. So these are the properties regarding the text tool. Then you can just, it's the font style is Times New Roman, then all the font styles are there. So you can just use any font style which is suitable to your animation movie. So at the moment I'm not going to change it. Right. Then after, I just right click this one because I want to change the place. Just click on transform and pre-transform. Then you can change the place, right? So when I'm dragging this one, so you can see the positions of X and Y, they are changing. So here it's X to 41.05 and Y 105.95. Then here likewise, so that's why I told you if you want to change the position, you can use this X and Y directions, or else you can just simply right click on first select your text, right click and select transform. From there I just use pre-transform because by using this one we can do all these things: scale, rotate, skew, likewise. So if you want to do rotate, scalings and rotate 90 degrees clockwise, likewise. So all the other options are available here: flip vertical, flip horizontal, likewise all the options are there. But at the moment I just clicked on pre-transform, then it's easy. Right, so I just position my text, so you can use the position is any place. Then after that I need to select it again and then right click, break apart, because now here so many characters are there. So I'm going to break apart all these characters separately. A separately, N, I, N, A, likewise all the characters separately, because I'm just going to move these letters one by one. For that purpose we have to break apart all these text as separate one. Otherwise, or when I was moving, or the word was moving, so when we are using the break apart option, then these characters single, we can work with single character. Right, and for the here so likewise you can change the position one by one. Likewise, just click this. So likewise you can just change the position, but somehow I did all the changes in the first frame now, so then I'll just undo. Okay, right, now I'll select frame 16. In insert keyframe. I just need only N and moving this one. Okay, then again another frame. You can select any frame that you prefer, right? Then here M. Again I'm moving this letter M in this frame. Another keyframe. Letter T. Here I just randomly moving these things. Right, okay, so let's play. So likewise you can change the position of this characters easily by using this method, because now all these characters are working as separate characters, not as a word, right? So you can change the position, then again you can add more and more keyframes, and one by one you can just change. So if you I just select closer frames. So if you want to slow up this one, then you can use more than here. Just use 15 here likewise. Then another one, keyframe. Then the whole one also you can move. I just move the whole word. Again you see. Likewise, it's more faster because the gap is really small gap. Okay, just now let's see. Likewise, so if you feel like these ones are more faster, then you can just drag them and increase the number of frames. Or else decrease. So this one is too close, just select the area. So by using this double arrow, you can just grab this one. Now it will a little bit slow. Likewise, for the last part, I just moved the whole word. So likewise, one by one character by character, you can change the position of those characters separate. Right, okay. So if you want to now, the stage color is white. So if you want to change the stage color as well, then you can just right click on this. Right click here, then it's here. Then click on document. From here, again you can change this settings of the document. It means this canvas, right? So currently it's 640 and 480. So that's what I selected because I choose standard one, right? And here the stage color. So by default the stage color is white, right? So if you want to change the stage color, from here you can select any color, light color. Likewise, and again the frame rate, here again they have mentioned the frame rate. So I told you the normally the normal frame rate is 35 or 25. In some cases some people are using 25, but the number of frame rates are increased, means the smoothness of the animation is getting increased. So I'm not going to change this one. So if you feel like if you want to change it, you want to change this one into 25 or whatever the number, then of course you can change it and try. Right, okay, so those are the changes that you can do to your document. It means to this stage using this document settings, and click on OK.